The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. Here, we are demonstrating some yoga poses and its benefits. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is an ancient technique of paying respects to the sun. Constituting of 12 different postures, it is a form of expressing gratitude to the source of all life on earth. The postures are a right blend of warm-ups and asanas. It helps to keep you disease-free and healthy. Regular practice of Surya Namaskar promotes balance in the body and improves blood circulation. It strengthens the heart. Shirshasana enhances pituitary functions, diabetes cure, flushes the lymphatic system, releases stress, develops healthy brain, increased focus, improved blood flow to eyes. Bhujangasana strengthens the spine, stretches chest and legs, shoulders and abdomen, tones the buttocks, stimulates abdominal organs, helps release stress and fatigue, opens the heart and lungs. Therapeutics for asthma. Padahastasana massages the digestive organs, alleviates flatulence, constipation, and indigestion. Spinal nerves are stimulated and toned. Increase vitality, improves metabolism. Vakrasana. It benefits your spine and back nerves. This helps to provide extension and compression to our back and spine muscles and nerves. This helps to improve the condition of your back and spine muscles and nerves. This helps your body to squeeze out the stagnated and sluggish blood from your spinal region. Dhanurasana stretches the entire front of the body, ankles, thighs and groins, abdomen and chest and throat and deep hip flexors. Strengthens the back muscles. Improves posture, stimulates the organs of the abdomen and neck. Vrikshasana. It strengthens the legs and opens the hips. It improves your neuromuscular coordination. It helps with balance and endurance. It improves alertness and concentration. It may help those suffering from sciatica, nerve pain in the leg. Setu Bandhasana stretches the chest, neck, spine and hips. Strengthens the back, buttocks and hamstrings. Improves circulation of blood. Helps alleviate stress and mild depression. Calms the brain and central nervous system. Stimulates the lungs, thyroid glands and abdominal organs. Uttanpadasana. Uttanpadasana prevents acidity, indigestion and constipation, cures back pain, strengthens the abdominal organs, improves the function of reproductive organs, improves the function of digestive system, improves blood circulation around the body. Tadasana corrects your posture and makes your spine more flexible by improving your body balance. Increases the flexibility of your ankles, joints and thighs. Tones your pelvic muscles. Gomukhasana stretches the hips, thighs, ankle, chest and shoulders. Helps those suffering from diabetes. Treats stiff shoulders and back pain. Helps to make the back flexible. Paschimottanasana calms the brain and helps release stress and mild depression. Stretches the spine, shoulders, hamstrings. Stimulates the liver, kidneys, ovaries and uterus. Improves digestion. helps relieve the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort. Mandogasana. Mandogasana gives you relief from diabetes, digestive disorders, and constipation. This pose improves the flexibility and mobility of the knee and ankle joints. It helps tone muscles of the shoulder and abdomen. Trikonasana increases stability. Trikonasana activates your core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. Opens the hip and shoulders, stimulates your organs, reduces stress. Yoga is not only beneficial for the body but also for the mind. It helps to improve blood flow and helps in building mind clarity. During this ongoing coronavirus pandemic, when we are all bound to live a restricted life under the constant fear of infection risks, it is natural for anyone to develop anxiety. To help with this growing level of anxiety and depression, we must lead a healthy lifestyle, stay connected to our loved ones, and practice yoga at home.